So seriously, no other companies offer temporary housing?
I mean, not if you're not calling restorers. I mean, no. Usually adjusters are involved in that process, but for us as a vendor who's just going in to do, a water or fire job, the mentality I have found in this industry in most companies is get in, get out, get paid. With restorers though, and there's a bit of a heartbeat there. You know what I mean? Like, we don't just take care of the water, the fire, working with your insurance carrier. We acknowledge that your life's been turned upside down, and which is why we partnered with some great people to offer temporary housing.
So we actually give a
Yeah.